Hi, welcome to the Bigger Brains course, Microsoft Power Automate Advanced. My name is Vicki Drewa, and I've been training people to use Microsoft products for over 10 years. Power Automate is an app you can use to automate repetitive tasks to make your workflow more efficient, and I'm excited to teach you how to use its features. This course is intended for Microsoft 365 users with a basic understanding of Power Automate who are interested in creating complex workflows. We'll start by creating expressions and incorporating those expressions into workflows. Then we'll initialize and call variables and change the variable values. In the next section, we'll work with conditions. First, we'll set up multiple conditions within the condition control action and modify the and/or setting. Then we'll add trigger conditions to filter when a flow will run. Next, we'll write an if function with multiple criteria and add the switch control action. Last, we'll create parallel branches to allow multiple actions to run simultaneously. By the end of this course, my hope is that you will be able to build complex automated workflows by implementing many of Power Automate's advanced features.